Hello guys, this is Srinivas, the developer from the developer channel. Today we are going to solve the SKILLRACK daily challenge for 28 April 2021. Let's see what's in there. Okay, primary colors addition. The program must accept the character matrix of R class C representing the primary colors RGB as the input. The program must the value of C is always even. The program must fold the given color matrix vertically and print the result color based on the following conditions: red plus red red, green plus green green, blue plus blue blue, green blue cyan, red blue magenta, red green yellow. Here is the sample input and sample output. They have given RGB, BGB. This should be red, red plus blue. Okay, here the size is 6. They have added this red with this blue and this green with this green, this blue with this blue. So we have to split the whole thing and we have to fold according to them. Okay, let's try this for red now. First they have given red, red, plus blue, red plus blue is magenta, and green plus green is green. Now change in same color, blue plus blue also blue, we got AMGB, and here this is blue and it matches green, which will give you cyan color, blue, green will give you cyan. This is cyan, and red and red will give you red color. Now this blue and this green will matches and give you cyan color again. Blue, green will give you cyan. Like this way we have to do the whole thing. Let's see for the programmatical part. RC dot split. Here this is the list map of, no, those things are string values, right? So input dot split for I in range of R. Okay, what we have to do now is for I in range of uh, row, for j in range of column by 2, print of if uh, list of I j equal to red. We have to make the combinations. If the another pair also red, okay, let me choose current pair equal to list of I and j, and this would be list of I and j plus c by 2. Here the c value is 6, 6 by 2 is 3, 0 plus 3 will give you 0, 1, 2, 3. We will get the match. If current equal to red color and pair equal to red, print red, and with space, and if pair equal to green, print red plus green combination will give you yellow. And space, else print cyan, I guess, no, magenta, m, and space. Else if the current value is blue color, if pair equal to red, print magenta, I guess, yeah, and end with space. If pair color is green, print blue plus green will give you something cyan. Else print current, which is nothing but blue. Yeah, instead of current we can give blue just like that. Else the color should be green if it's green color, and the pair color is red, then print green plus red will give you something called yellow. And a space, elif pair equal to green, print of green, end with space, else print green plus blue will give you something called the cyan, right? Print that one. And finally print a new line for the matrix shape or format. As usual, this is our final code, just to check whether the thing is working or not. Magenta, green, blue, CRC, RCR, RYY, G or M. Instead of you are getting Y or C. This thing is messing with green. Green plus red will give you green. What? Green plus red will give you yellow, right? How they are getting green here? Green plus green? Oh my god. Red plus red. Blue. Oh, whoa. That's my fault. They are not matching the equal pairs. They are matching the first one and the last one. Here, these things are palindromic, so we easily get fooled by this input. Not we, just me. Minus of j plus 1. That's it. We'll get a proper output now. See, we are getting Grim, Ray, Rasar, CRC, and MGB. That's it, guys. Instead of this, we can do something like here we may store this value as t is equal to sorted of current comma pair. Then it will always like RR, GG, BB, BG, BR, and GR. So we'll get only 6 conditions. So we can reduce some lines with that help of those conditions. If t equal to RR print R with end space elif this t equal to b b print b and equal to and equal to elif T equal to GG. Print G with the end of space. L if the combination is equal to B and R, print something called magenta, I guess. Red and blue, yeah. LF T equal to what? B and G, print CM. Else print yellow. So with this help of that one line, we reduced literally lot of lines. Now we can count. So hope this will also give the same thing, which is nothing but a proper output. Let's see. Yeah, we got that. MGB, CRC. Yeah. Now it's time to check our code. And here is the code for your view. Thank you guys. And what? Wish me luck. I have forgotten that. We got that. Thank you guys.